All right, so that's the big story we're tracking here on WION this moment. It's a crucial day for actor Salman Khan as a court in Jodhpur in the western Indian state of Rajasthan is delivering its verdict in a 20-year-old poaching case. Now, we are given to understand that the judge has begun reading the judgment. The proceedings have begun and the verdict is expected any moment now. Now, for those of you who might just be tuning in and are not familiar with the case at hand, the case involves the killing of two Blackbucks in 1998 during the shooting of a film, Hum Saath Saath Hain. Now, actor Saif Ali Khan, Sonali Bendre, Tabu and Neelam also are charged with being present with Salman Khan in the vehicle that he allegedly used in the hunt. All right, as we are tracking the story, I'm now joined by my colleague Sejal Pandey from the WION newsroom. Good morning, Sejal. Good to have you back on this discussion. Now, we are given to understand that the judge has begun the proceedings and he is reading the judgment as we speak. Take us through the implications of all of this for the Indian film industry at large.
Very good morning to you, Ramesh. Besides all of these cases that are riding upon Salman, all the charges against him, the fact remains that he still enjoys superstardom in the country. There are fans across the country. All of Bollywood is praying for him. In fact, they have more than reason to see Salman. They have big bucks riding on Salman Khan, about 1,000 crores. Salman Khan still is the highest paid actor in Bollywood. Just by 2017 metrics from Forbes India, he earned about 232 crores in his yearly earnings. He has about another 1,000 crores in terms of films, announced films, the films that are in pre-production right now, the films that are going to release, his television shows, his brand endorsements all together form about 1,000 crores on him right now. Salman, in fact, has just returned from shooting Race 3, which again is a movie that's budgeted for about 100 to 120 crores. He has two more movies lined up for 2018 and 2019 respectively, and 4 movies that have been announced for 2021. Apart from that, he's also supposed to start shooting for Big Boss in June. So all in all, in total, he has about 1,000 crores riding on him, Ramesh.
Indeed, and as someone who watches and tracks Bollywood from very close quarters, Sejal, I can draw an immediate parallel with Sanjay Dutt not so long ago. A lot of money was riding on him too. How did the industry cope with his conviction and what are the lessons learned going forward? There were again we may say that the law of the land is equal for everyone, but the reality is that there are differences between the common man and stars. There were special sanctions for Sanjay Dutt to come out of jail, complete certain schedules were cancelled. So whether or not Salman Khan gets convicted, we are almost pretty sure that none of these producers are going to let go of their 100 crores each, which is a couple of $1 million because of the implications of this case. Absolutely. And very quickly, Sejal, now we know that the film industry is vocal when it wants to. Has any of the film producers, directors, co-actors at all spoken about this impending verdict on social media, for instance, on Twitter, Facebook, or even otherwise to the media at all?
So Ramesh, we do know that fans across the country are praying for him. You know, there are messages like good luck bhai, good luck Salu bhai for the verdict today. So definitely fans are waiting for Salman Khan to come out clean from this, not get convicted. But producers as such have not really spoken on Twitter. I believe that they're maintaining silence as of now. They're waiting close quarters for the results of this case to come out. But if I track back to the hit and run case, the story was completely different on Twitter. People like Hema Malini, Bipasha Basu, all of them, besides, despite the fact that he was convicted in that case, their thoughts and prayers still remained with Salman Khan. They lined up right after the court verdict was released. They lined up outside his residence in Bandra to meet him, to share their love with him, to stand up in solidarity with him. But as of now, the Bollywood industry has remained quiet.
Absolutely. Sejal, do stay on if you will. I want to quickly bring our viewers up to speed with the latest news happening here as we speak. It's 22 minutes past 11 and we are given to understand that the judgment is being read as we speak in the Jodhpur court.
and we'll bring you the latest as it happens. And I'm now joined by WION's political editor Karthikeya Sharma from the WION newsroom in a bit for more on the story. Karthikeya, if you can hear me, we're given to understand that the court, the judge has begun reading the judgment. What's riding on this case for the film industry at large?
Morning, Ramesh. You see, the whole Salman Khan case is being seen from the perspective of investments, is being seen from the perspective of the career, seen from the perspective of what will happen to the films, producers, or the sort of money which has been invested in Hollywood. But I think it's also a reflection of the sorry tale of our lower courts. See, most of the high-profile cases, like for example the Jessica Lal murder case, we have seen that the trial courts or the courts at the lower level, they somehow succumb to the public pressure, and they do not scrutinize the crime in its entirety, and that is why most of the revisions takes place at the level of the High Court and the Supreme Court. So even in the case related to Salman Khan, now for example, this is the Blackbuck case. In 2017, in January, in similar cases, he was released. For example, he was released in a case which was related to the possession of the arm, and he was acquitted by the lower court. So the issue here is that somehow the message is that the celebrities get away despite committing crime. Now what has happened is that the roll call has been taken. The judge is reading the operational part, as you rightly said. And very soon, Ramesh.
The big news breaking on WION this moment is Salman Khan has been convicted in the 20-year-old poaching case. That's the big news breaking here on WION this moment. You are getting to know this news first on WION, that Salman Khan has been convicted in the 20-year-old poaching case that dates back to 1998. The judge has pronounced the verdict and Salman Khan has been found guilty and he has been convicted. We'll get to know the sentencing in a bit, but that's the news breaking here on WION this moment, that Indian superstar Salman Khan has been convicted, and we'll wait for more details to come in about the fate of the other co-actors involved in that Blackbuck poaching case.